Welcome to the Spring 2015 Sally Hansen reline. Today we are showing you the Fall 2014 wall that we are going to convert to the Spring 2015 wall. You're looking at the 16-foot Sally Hansen wall in this video. The vast majority of this reline is basically a pretty typical reline. Everyone who's worked in the relines and cosmetics knows that these trays just move. So basically we're doing the vast majority of like that again. There are a few exceptions to this rule today. So the purpose of this video is really to show you those exceptions and to show you the trays that we are converting and modifying for the new Spring 2015 plano. Each store has changes that are occurring according to the plano that is specific to that store. So it's very important that each of you follow the specific instructions that are sent for your specific stores that you are completing. Today we're going to show you some of the similar changes that are happening in the planos, and one of the changes that is happening across all planos is the triple shine tray. So we will be removing the triple shine tray from all planos and converting it to either a complete salon manicure tray or a miracle tray. Presently it is a 10 across, and today we're going to show you how to convert that to an 8 across tray for those two types of nail polish. One tray that you need to convert is the triple shine tray. This is consistent across all planos. We're going to show you how to take this triple shine tray, which has 10 across, and convert it to either a miracle gel tray or a complete salon manicure tray, which is 8 across. These trays are built that they can all be converted. They're super easy to do. So we're going to start by removing the nail polishes so that we can access all the components that are actually in the tray. Then we're going to take out the pushers, which is really easy to do. There's just a little clip on the back. They just lift up and you remove them. So we're going to remove all of those. Oops, I skipped that. We're going to remove all of the pushers and just put them aside. So one thing, once you've removed all the spring feed trays, just one little note for you. These spring feed trays, dividers are actually longer than some of the others. So these for triple shine are no longer needed and you can discard of them. Now that you've removed all the spring feed, you can go directly to the tray to convert it from 10 across to 8 across. So to do that, again, really simple. You just apply a little pressure. You leave the exterior ones as is. You go to the interior ones. You apply a little pressure outwards. And then you just simply lift out the dividers. A little pressure outwards, lift out the divider. Now that you've removed all the components, interior components of the triple shine tray, we're going to show you how to make this an 8 across complete salon manicure or miracle gel tray. So to begin, you go to the interior of the tray and you locate the numbers. Because you are making an 8 across tray, you're going to use the number 8 as your first guide. You start at the beginning of the tray or at the front of the tray, and you take your little thing and you put it in on the number 8. At the beginning of the tray, and you line it up at the back of the tray into the number 8 slot also, and that makes your first thing. Then you take the product, everything's good, and a simple way to continue is simply to use the product as your guide. So take a miracle gel nail polish, put it there, take your next divider, and again use that as your guide, slip it in, and continue. And one more time, use it as your guide, put it in the beginning, and clip. Now that we've installed the dividers, the last step we need to do is to put the spring feeds back in. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you how to do that. Just a special note here, there's two type of spring feed components for each tray. These ones are the ones that you removed from the triple shine tray. As you can see, they're slimmer and taller. So those, when you remove them, you are to discard them. You are to put them in the garbage. The new ones, which you will also have recuperated from another tray that you're no longer using, are shorter and fatter. Really easy to install. You simply begin at the front. You go to the section that you're putting the spring component into. You start at the front, you clip it in, and you proceed. There you go. And again, we're going to do that for all 8 sections. You put it in, and you clip. And you clip. So here you see the results of the modifications that we made to the triple shine tray, now being the Miracle Gel tray. These were specific changes that we wanted to really take the time to show you, as they're a little different than your typical reline work that is done out there. Thank you very much for your participation, and happy merchandising out there.